Hi guys, to receive this OUTWOLF desk organizer for reviewing purposes. It's right here, so let's open it. Okay, here we have the assembly instructions, and in this bag we've got all you need to assemble it. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so now it's ready. It's quite nice. It's quite big. Well, I've got one piece left. But I was saying it's quite nice. It's very lightweight, so you can take it and change up place if you like it. I like a lot that it has these trays that can slide with your documents, so you don't have to worry. It's 5 spaces, which is really nice. And it has these 2 vertical magazine racks, so you can put folders, magazines, anything you need that it takes more space. You can put them in these 2 sides, and this anything that you want to put in these trays will be perfect hand. So it's really nice. It has this nice grid hollow design, which makes it easy to clean if if something falls on and it gets stained. With the design, it's very easy to clean, and you can take it with these handlebars right here in place, so it's really convenient. So you can put it on your desired location, which is really nice. It's like a lot the look, the black color. And it's perfect. You can set it in your office, in your house, to get organized something, in your desk if you want to have anything at hand, so you can work more efficiently, which is nice, and I like it. I'm gonna use it this, so I can have everything here at hand and ready to use when I need it. So I highly recommend it. See ya.